CapCut AI video generator. So if you want the CapCut AI video generator, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply open up your CapCut. After opening, just simply go with your new project and you will get this kind of interface. Now, you just need to simply go with the AI media section, which will be on the left side. And then you need to go and select the model, any model that you're comfortable with, and go with a prompt and enter a prompt. Like, for example, I want to make a 3D animation model of a dog walking on a street. So you just need simply enter the prompt. You can go with any prompt that you're comfortable with, and then just simply go with generate, which will be on the bottom right. But before that, make sure that you've signed into your CapCut, because if you've not signed in, you won't be able to generate the AI video. So make sure that you've signed in. And after that, you need to go with generate. And within a few seconds or a few minutes, it will generate you the video or the image that you prompted the AI to do. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.